Get ready for the dictation. Start. The instant revision petition has been preferred against the judgment dated 5/9/2013 and order of sentence dated 6/9/2013 passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Ambala and subsequent judgment dismissing the appeal preferred by the petitioners dated 7/10/2014 passed by the Additional Sessions Judge Ambala. Briefly, the case of the prosecution is that on 27/11/2005 at about 8:30 p.m., when the complainant party had reached near Ravi Das temple, the accused assailants, along with others, came from the bus stand side and started abusing the complainant. When the complainant Amar Singh objected to the accused using superlatives, the accused number 1 and 5, namely Isham Chand and Balwinder Singh, are alleged to have caught hold of the complainant Amar Singh, and accused number 6, namely Sukhveer Singh, is alleged to have caught Narendra Kumar, and in the meantime Satpal, Mukesh and Rajesh also came to the spot. The petitioners herein, who are referred to as accused numbers 1 and 5, are alleged to have thrown the complainant Amar Singh on the ground, and Balwinder Singh, petitioner number 2, is alleged to have given a gadasi blow on the head of the complainant. Isham Singh, petitioner number 1, had thrown the son of the complainant on the ground and hit on the left eye of the son of the complainant with a rod, while the other accused gave lathi blow to the father of the complainant. The reason for the said fight was a previous litigation that was pending between the accused persons and the complainant party. On the basis of the allegations so labelled, FIR number 321 dated 27/11/2005 was registered under sections 323, 324 and 506 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 against the accused persons. Upon conclusion of the investigation, a final report under section 173 of the Code of Criminal Procedure was submitted. In order to prove its case, the prosecution has examined the complainant as PW1 Dharamveer, as PW2 Narendra Kumar, as PW3 SI Azayab Singh, as PW4 Surja Ram, as PW5, and Dr. Tarun Prasad SMO CHC Sahzadpur as PW6. Since the prosecution could not conclude its evidence despite availing sufficient number of opportunities, the prosecution evidence was closed wide order. During the proceedings of the case, the accused number 6 confessed his guilt on 24/5/2012. Statements of the remaining accused persons under section 313 CRPC were recorded and incriminating evidence was put to them, to which they pleaded innocence and denied the allegations of the prosecution. In defense, the accused number 1 to 5 examined Kuljit Kaur Additional Ahmad as DW1, who brought Exhibit DW1 attested copy of the complaint titled as Isham Singh versus Amar Singh and others, Exhibit DW2 attested copy of the order dated 12/9/2008, and Exhibit DW3 attested copy of the judgment titled as State versus Rakesh Kumar and others. After consideration of the evidence adduced before the trial court, the Judicial Magistrate First Class Ambala white judgment dated 5/9/2013 convicted the accused Isam Chand, Satpal, Mukesh, Rajesh and Balwinder Singh for commission of offences under sections 148/323/324 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 read with section 149 Indian Penal Code 1860. The parties were heard on the quantum of sentence and wide order dated 6/9/2013. The convicts were held entitled to be released on probation under section 360 of the Code of Criminal Procedure after noticing that there were no such special circumstances as to why the benefit of probation ought to be denied to them. That aggrieved of the said judgment of conviction and order of sentence directing release of the accused convicts on probation and appeal bearing criminal appeal numbers 34 and 35 were preferred before the Court of Sessions Judge Ambala. White judgment dated 7/10/2014, the said appeal was partly allowed by the lower appellate court and the appellants accused Satpal, Mukesh and Rajesh were acquitted after extending benefit of doubt to them. Aggrieved of the said judgment, the accused number 1 and 5, namely Isam Chand and Balwinder Singh, have preferred the instant revision petition. Stop.